10 Unbelievable Facts About Architecture, Discovering the World of Design and Engineering. Welcome to our video on 10 Unbelievable Facts About Architecture. Are you ready to discover the fascinating world of design and engineering? From ancient structures to modern marvels, architecture is a constantly evolving field that has shaped our world in countless ways. In this video, we'll be sharing some truly mind-blowing facts about architecture that will leave you in awe. So sit back, relax, and join us on a journey of discovery as we explore the incredible world of architecture. But before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Fact number 1, architecture is the art and science of designing and constructing buildings and other structures. Architects use a combination of creativity, technical knowledge, and project management skills to design and oversee the construction of buildings. This includes understanding building codes and regulations, as well as the use of materials and construction techniques. Architects also take into account the functional, aesthetic, and social aspects of the building design. Fact number 2, the earliest known architectural structures date back to ancient civilizations such as ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China. These structures include the pyramids, which were built as tombs for pharaohs and their consorts. The Great Wall of China, which was built to protect the Chinese states and empires against the raids and invasions of the various nomadic groups in the Eurasian steppe. And the Colosseum, which was an amphitheater in Rome. Fact number 3, the Gothic style of architecture, known for its pointed arches and ribbed vaults, was developed in the 12th century. This style was used in the construction of many famous cathedrals and churches, such as Notre Dame in Paris, Chartres Cathedral, and Salisbury Cathedral. These buildings are known for their impressive height and grandeur and the use of stained glass windows, which were a new invention of that time. Fact number 4, the modernist movement in architecture, which began in the early 20th century, rejected traditional architectural styles in favor of functional and minimal design. Famous modernist architects include Le Corbusier, Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, and Frank Lloyd Wright. Their works are characterized by the use of new building materials, such as steel and concrete, and the rejection of ornamentation. Fact number 5, advances in building technology have allowed for the construction of taller and more complex buildings. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, currently the tallest building in the world, stands at 828 meters, 2,722 feet, tall. This building is designed to withstand the high winds and hot temperatures of the desert climate. And its design is based on the geometric shape of a desert flower. Fact number 6, many famous architects have left their mark on the world with iconic and recognizable buildings. Examples include the Sydney Opera House by Bjorn Utzon, the Guggenheim Museum by Frank Lloyd Wright, and the Sydney Tower by Donald Crone. These buildings are known for their unique design and have become symbols of the cities where they are located. Fact number 7, sustainable design is an important aspect of modern architecture. Architects use a variety of techniques, such as green roofs and solar panels, to create buildings that are energy efficient and environmentally friendly. This includes designing buildings that are energy efficient, using sustainable materials, and incorporating natural light and ventilation. Fact number 8, architecture is not just about designing buildings, but also about shaping urban spaces. Architects also design public spaces, such as parks and plazas, to create functional and livable cities. They consider how people interact with and move through the space, and how the design can improve the overall livability of the city. This includes designing spaces that are accessible, inclusive, and promote social interaction. Fact number 9, architecture is a constantly evolving field, with new discoveries and advancements being made all the time. From the use of new building materials and technologies to the integration of digital tools in design and construction, architects are always pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the field. This includes exploring the use of new materials, such as cross-laminated timber, and the integration of technology, such as building information modeling, BIM, and virtual reality in the design process. Fact number 10, architecture is a collaborative field, where architects work with a team of professionals, such as engineers, builders, and interior designers, to bring their designs to life. This collaboration is key to the success of a project, as the different professionals bring their own expertise to the table. Architects work closely with engineers to ensure that the building is structurally sound. and with builders to ensure that the construction is executed according to the design. Interior designers also work with architects to create functional and visually pleasing spaces within the building. And there you have it, 10 unbelievable facts about architecture. We hope you enjoyed this journey of discovery and learned something new about the fascinating world of design and engineering. Architecture is a constantly evolving field that has shaped our world in countless ways, and we hope this video has given you a glimpse of the endless possibilities and potential of this field. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for more amazing facts and insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.